नमस्ते। एक बार और हम आपके साथ एग्जिमप्रेन्योर के शो में। हमारा ये शो बहुत ही कमेंट्स लाता है यूट्यूब पे एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर आस्किंग अस क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड बेस्ड ऑन दीज क्वेश्चंस ये सवालों के लिए हम हमारे जो इंटरव्यूअर जो एग्जिमप्रेन्योर होता है हमारे जो इंटरव्यूई होता है उनसे हम ये सवाल पूछने की कोशिश करते हैं ताकि आप सबके सवाल आ जाएं इसके अंदर। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू हैव टुडे Shrenik Mehta. He's a Gujarati from Ahmedabad. And Shrenik has a little different background than all other exempreneurs that we have had. Shrenik has done his engineering in electronics and communication from LD Engineering Ahmedabad. Thereafter, he went to a very prestigious institution of India, Narsi Monji Institute of Management in Mumbai, and he did his master's in business administration from there. And thereafter, he worked in companies like Britannia, etc., for about 2 years in a couple of companies and has started his own business now. We are going to be talking to him as a businessman now. However, his family background, उनकी जो family background है, वो उनके father is working with ISRO. Is he a scientist? I don't know. We will ask Shrenik right now. And Shrenik is very happy with his business. He has 3 different businesses at an age of 26 years. So you can imagine having done engineering, having done management, having worked with good companies, large corporates, he is into export and import. He is into manufacturing, and we shall understand the products that he is manufacturing and the products that he is exporting. A lot of you have always asked us questions on cattle feed, जो हम अपने कैटल यानी कि गाय भैंसों को जो हम खाना खिलाते हैं वो कैटल फीड बोलते हैं। पर श्रेनिक का प्रोडक्ट जो है जो उन्होंने रशिया में एक्सपोर्ट किया है वो है कैटल फीड सप्लीमेंट। हमें जैसे न्यूट्रिएंट्स की ज़रूरत है, हम जैसे सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं, विटामिन्स वगैरह लेते हैं, वैसे कैटल को भी देना है पड़ता है और इसकी वजह से श्रेनिक की कंपनी इसमें है जहाँ पे ये कैटल फीड सप्लीमेंट्स एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। Now we shall know more about this product and Shrenik's business and his journey of being an exporter from himself, from Shrenik Mehta himself. This is Trupti Shah on behalf of Triple IM. Welcome. Shrenik, welcome to the show.
Yeah. Thank you.
And I would like you to please give a short, brief introduction about yourself and then move on to telling us after doing all these studies, how did you got interested in export import?
Sure. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Triple IM. So, let me introduce myself. Myself, Shrenik Mehta. I have pursued my engineering from LD Engineering in Electronics and Communication, post which I did my MBA in marketing from NMIMS Mumbai. So, I worked in couple of companies like, Britannia and other for like say 2 years in food and beverages segment, post which I planned to start my own business. So my initial dream for starting a business was that I wanted to work towards organic India. I was very much impressed by the movement organic India. So my initial focus was, to basically empower farmers of India and make India chemical free, toxic free, and pesticide free. So that was my initial goal. So based on that, I started couple of months. I started researching, how we can start production of non-toxic pesticides, herbal pesticides, herbal flowering stimulants, and other products which are related to growth of crops. Along with that, we also found a parallel interest in, couple of cattle feed products where, giving organic supplements and chemical free supplements to cattle, which will not only help them in maintaining a overall good health, but also to increase their milk yield their fat yield as well as their holistic improvement in their overall body.
Even
So
the
that
meat,
was,
even
yes,
the meat after the
absolutely.
cattle dies.
So
Yes.
that was the whole interest. So I was just planning my business on these lines. When we meet one of my friend, he was also working towards cattle feed supplements production, and then we decided that let's start a venture where I will be manufacturing into organic inputs, organic agri inputs, agrochemicals, which we call it, or say plant growth regulators, what we call it. So I got into manufacturing of that along with my partner in other firm where we started manufacturing cattle feed supplements, and now we are also into manufacturing of organic skincare and organic cosmetic products, where we are into manufacturing of products like body wash, shower gel, face wash, and hand wash and shampoos, oils, and other products. So that's
So
how it's a very short time till now that I am into business. But yeah, it's a very roller coaster ride. A lot of things on plate for me, along with obviously export now added like a cherry to the cake.
very
Yeah,
good. I would like to give you a little bit more about Shrenik, a little bit more information on Shrenik. Can you see Shrenik's car? He's sitting right now in a car. He's never in his office. He's on the move. He's on the go. And Shrenik is working very hard for his three companies. And now, as he says, the cherry on the cake, that is the export business. I really appreciate your energy. I appreciate your drive, your desire, your passion for business. And Shrenik is a manufacturer come exporter. Although he is a manufacturer come exporter, he has these companies formed in private limited or a partnership firms, because he in three out of three, two he has partners and one is his own company. Now we shall, anything to do with organic is equal to Shrenik. This is what we have learned today from Shrenik. Shrenik, I would like to tell I would like you to tell us the HS code of your product and
yeah.
something
So
more
the
about this animal feed supplement.
sure. So the HS code of the product which we are exporting is 2309990. So
So,
it's a 8-digit HS code 2309990, and the product is about cattle feed supplements. So let me explain this product in a some different way. So as we all know that most of us are fond of, we don't just drink milk the way it is. We always add something like Bonvita, Complan, Protein X powder, or something like that. Why we do that? We do for a simple reason that we want some extra nutrients, extra supplements, extra vitamins, and other growth enhancing material from that particular powder. So in a similar way, our cattle also need some extra vitamins, supplements other than what they are being fed on day-to-day basis. And that's why this cattle feed supplement, it's a really big industry, it's a growing industry, primarily because we all know that food security is going to be a big concern in future. And exactly because of that, milk production is we need surplus milk production, we need surplus quality milk production, and that's why this product is very much high in demand in the market.
okay, Shrenik, what is the name of your firm and the website which is exporting this product?
So the name of the firm is Win Cattle Care and Feed Products Industries.
Come again.
Win, yeah, Win Cattle Feed and Care Products Industries. WIN Win.
Okay, Wien Cattle Feed and okay, all
Okay,
right,
Win Cattle Feed and Care Products Industries,
and Cat
and
Care product.
website.
Okay,
You can find that on www.wincattlecare.com. Okay.
WinCattleCare.com. Very good.
Yeah.
Now,
So
for this particular niche product that you have, which our country needs a lot because our country has the largest amount of cattle in a population of cattle, and India is the largest in the world. However, there are other countries also which have a lot of cattle, and there is a lot of domestic as well as export demand for this product. Tell me, how did you find your buyer for this product?
okay. Okay. So, ma'am, immediately after our triple IM training got over, okay, so we applied very fundamentals. Whatever we were taught during the lectures, we simply applied those things. First of all, we started identifying the potential markets from trademap.org.
Just
Okay.
a moment, Shrenik. But the product was already selected by you?
Yes, ma'am.
And IEC registration, etc., all that was already done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the primary was already set. IEC was done.
Yes.
Your maybe the RCMC was done. The product was selected. Product research was done. So you you had to do was countries and then the buyers. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah. So
All right.
actually, ma'am,
Okay.
we had initially couple of products, but during triple IM training only, I was very much sure that based on the potential of this product, I was very much sure that I want to start with export of this product
Okay.
only.
Okay. Very good.
Okay. Yeah. So so how we started is that first of all we gathered data that in which countries are high importing countries of this particular product. Okay. Second step was that among those countries which are high importing countries, in how many countries what percentage products India is exporting. Okay.
All right.
So
you check the demand.
So I tried to find
demand and supply. Yes.
Yeah.
On
Yeah,
where did
exactly.
you find this?
Yeah. Okay. Second. So there are a couple of the websites. First of all, we analyzed the data from trademap.org.
Very good.
Secondly, we also went to export trade portal. Okay. Then commerce.gov.in and other websites we went, and based on the HS code we found that how's the product, okay, what's the total consumption in different countries, and then we shortlisted top 10 countries in which these products were demanding. Okay. So secondly, during the analysis, we also found that we didn't only selected those countries which were highly importing, but also those countries which show very good growth, a double digit or a triple digit growth in imports during last 3 years. Okay. So yeah. So for us, that was the low hanging fruits. Like low hanging fruits were those countries which started importing in recent years, but doing really great volume in terms of their overall contribution. So based on that, we selected countries. Post that, we started sending mails to embassies of those countries. Okay, we started sending mail to embassies of those countries because, to be honest, we didn't wanted to get any buyer from some unverified source. So we always our always focus was that to get some buyer from embassy itself. So once it comes from embassy, it's like coming from some horse's mouth, and most of the time it's verified. And we also, along with that, we are also parallelly, trying to plan on ECGC also. That once we were very sure, we planned on ECGC. Okay. So we wanted to very sure. Why? Because mainly since it was the first export, we didn't wanted to risk money. Okay. We didn't wanted to take a big risk and on this product. So then we started sending mails to embassies. Embassies, on a other hand, it was very shocking, but embassies were giving instant replies. Like we were getting emails from embassies within 24 hours to 48 hours. Okay. So initially we had that air in our mind that, that since we are sending it to embassies, maybe it's a government department, so it might take its own sweet time to send the data. But however, that was not the case. We were getting data on a very speedy way. We were getting data on a very quick way. So once we got the data, we started shooting mails to those particular companies. We started analyzing those companies after viewing their websites. We found that after viewing their websites, what are the products that they are self-manufacturing, what are the products that they are importing, and what are the products that it's like high demand for the companies. Okay. So based on the company, we started shortlisting the company. We added their numbers on our WhatsApp, because nowadays adding number on WhatsApp is important, because we can, along with email, we can directly send our brochures, details, and other things to companies directly. Because as we were taught in triple IM, we never send any attachments to any embassies, neither to any companies initially, because sending attachments would directly send us to that spam. So we we never did that. We took utmost care of that. So like triple IM slides were like always in a printed form next to us. So whenever we took the step, it was like a Bible. We just saw that here ये बोला है तो ये करना है, ये नहीं बोला तो ये नहीं करना है. So let's follow the things religiously since we are doing it for the first time. Okay. So that's how we started sending mails. We got few replies from few companies regarding what are the technicalities and what are the price and all the things. Out of which one company seemed really, he was very much interested in the product. We also saw that he is currently importing that our product, matlab the kind of products that we are selling. So yeah, so we were basically find those companies which were using our similar products, our competition products. So we figured out that there are 15 or 20 odd companies which were using our competition products on a regular basis. So we started sending them mails. We pushed them for giving competitive price. We offered them competitive Incoterms and other flexibilities. And finally, we got one convert from Russia. So we got a Russian buyer who was who agreed on our terms and who was on board.
So a buyer from far away Russia. Okay. What
Right.
was your how were you communicating with the Russian? You did not
Yeah.
know Russian, I believe. So how were you conversing? How were you communicating with the Russian?
So my major communication went over mail only. So we always preferred that things happen over mail from his official ID and our official ID. So we went very in a formal way. We didn't push a lot of things on WhatsApp. Once he was like, we were very much sure that he is going to come on board. So we kept most of the conversation on email only. He was not very much aware about English because Russians, they are, matlab, compared to Indians, their English is quite weak. Okay, but everyone वो कहते हैं ना, everyone understands the language of money and language of business. So
Very
so
true.
he
I
always,
really appreciate. Sorry to interrupt you, but the language of business is the primary language everybody must learn. And there is no other language. There must be thousands of language. Hindi, English, Gujarati, बहुत सारी languages हैं. हमारे भारत में भी हैं, दुनिया में भी हैं, पर language of business will take you anywhere in the world positively and help you grow your business. हाँ शैनिक, बताइए आगे.
correct.
So
So
everybody
so
knows
they,
the language of money and business, as Shrenik says. Yes.
yeah. So most of the time we were communicating on price, on Incoterms, on payment terms. So it was a very short communication on mail also, like one or two liners. He didn't used to write much. We didn't used to write much and bother him. Okay. So the communication was very simple on terms. We signed a sales contract with him for 5 years. So he wanted us to sign a sales contract for 5 years that you will not export to anyone else other than us for next 5 years and give us exclusive distribution rights for all over Russia for your brand. So we mutually decided that at least you will take 12 containers a year, which is one container a month from us, and then we shall agree on the terms that in Russia we will not give our
So
product
what?
to anyone other than you. So we signed a contract with him.
Okay. So what was the Incoterms and the payment terms that you have agreed upon in the agreement?
So Incoterms were FOB. We saw free on board. Okay, so FOB terms were agreed. He insisted for FOB. So we agreed on FOB, and payment terms we insisted him for TT, 50 percentage advance before exports and 50% on scanned BL copy.
50% advance and 50% on scanned BL copy. Did you receive your money in time?
Yes, we received
Absolutely.
payment on times. Yeah.
Okay, here I would like to tell you one thing about Shrenik, which I know of. I have been in touch with Shrenik I through emails and I support, have been in touch with Shrenik for quite a while now. And Shrenik has one very good attribute. I would call it as an attribute, a business attribute. If he is told this, he will follow this. In that, if he will have a question, he will write another email. He has never gone beyond what he has been told. He is a very obedient student of Triple IEM, but more than that, He has immense faith in triple IEM, I should say. He has also mentioned right now, just before few minutes, ट्रिपल आई एम ने जो बोला है वो मेरे लिए गीता है, बाइबल है, कुरान है, वो मेरे लिए एंड है. जो नहीं बोला है वो नहीं करने का. So if you decide to follow the steps given to you, your export will be easier. What we are trying to tell you is that we are here available for you anytime you want to have any queries or any further understanding. But if you follow that, it is a two-way synchronize. His thinking and our thinking, what he writes and what we write, was too much in sync with each other because he followed each one of it. And if I would suggest that everybody should, if you are this way, if you go to a doctor and a doctor tells you take this medicine twice in a day and you do not have that gap in it and you take 2 times, it doesn't work. But you take one in morning and one in the evening, it works. So you need to have the prescription and follow it. That is what I have to say here, knowing Shrenik, because it is very good today. Shrenik had the time to be with us. A lot of time it has happened that Shrenik was not available. I'm very happy with Shrenik's progress. Shrenik, tell us about now. What now?
So मैम अभी आगे का प्लान ऐसा है कि जो अभी हम लोग ने इम्पोर्टर जो हमारा बाहर के जो भी हमारे पार्टीज के साथ हमारा बात चल रहा है, वो पार्टीज में से नाउ वी आर वेरी, हम लोग को थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है कि क्या टर्म्स पे बात करना है, कैसे बात करना है इम्पोर्टर्स को, मतलब कीपिंग इन माइंड कि उसका टाइमिंग क्या है सामने वाले का बात करने के लिए और उसका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. हम लोग का नेक्स्ट स्टेप है कि हम लोग ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं अभी यूरोपियन कंट्रीज के ऊपर. यूरोपियन कंट्रीज मेजरली बिकॉज यूरोप के अंदर व्हाट रिसेंट मार्केट सर्वेज दैट वी आर रीडिंग कि यूरोप के अंदर राइट नाउ मिल्क प्रोडक्शन हैज बीन अफेक्टेड ड्यू टू COVID-19. ओके, सो सिंस मिल्क प्रोडक्शन हैज बीन अफेक्टेड, एग्जिस्टिंग रिसोर्सेस में ज्यादा मिल्क बढ़ाना, ठीक है, वो अपनी प्रोडक्ट का काम है. ठीक है, एग्जिस्टिंग रिसोर्स में मिल्क बढ़ाना वो अपनी प्रोडक्ट का काम है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आवर फोकस इज मोर ऑन यूरोपियन कंट्रीज और हम लोग को वहां से रिस्पॉन्स मिल रही है यूरोपियन कंट्रीज से. वी आर इन टच विद देम. अदर देन दैट वी आर ऑल्सो इन टच विद कनाडा.
ओके, नाउ वेरी गुड. आई दिस इज व्हाट एक मार्केट रिसर्च क्या होता है वो बहुत ही अच्छे से हमने श्रेनिक से सीखा आज. श्रेनिक, हमें एक चीज और बताइए आप कि आपकी ये जो प्रोडक्ट है, ये प्रोडक्ट आपने जो रशिया में एक्सपोर्ट की, उसके लिए कोई सर्टिफिकेट लगते हैं? रशिया में कोई क्वालिटी नॉर्म्स हैं, इंपोर्टिंग नॉर्म्स हैं? कैसे आपने ये सब जाना और किया?
सो मैडम, इसके लिए हम लोग ने इनिशियली कस्टम्स की जो वेबसाइट है, CBIC कस्टम्स की वेबसाइट पे जाके हम लोगों ने पहले HSN कोड एंटर करके देखा कि इसके लिए अदर जैसे प्लांट क्वारंटाइन रिपोर्ट चाहता है, ऐसे एनिमल हेल्थ क्वारंटाइन सर्टिफिकेट्स होते हैं. तो ये जो अदर रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, अदर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन की क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो सब हमने पहले देख ली कि वो रिक्वायर्ड है कि नहीं. देन हमारे जो कैरिंग एंड फॉरवर्डिंग एजेंट और जो कस्टम हाउस एजेंट था, वो कस्टम हाउस एजेंट के साथ हम लोग ने HS कोड देके हम लोग ने कंफर्म किया कि क्या क्या लिस्ट ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपने पोर्ट पे लगेंगे इसको क्लियर करने के लिए. और सेम चीज हमने हमारे बायर को पूछ ली कि भाई तुम्हारे पोर्ट पे क्या क्या लगेगा तुम्हें क्लियर करने के लिए, जो हमें हमारे एंड से प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट दिस वाज आई थिंक वेरी मच इनिशियल कॉन्वर्जेशन. बहुत इनिशियल कॉन्वर्जेशन में ही हम लोग को मालूम चल गया था कि ये सर्टिफिकेशंस और ये टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स, ये सर्टिफिकेट सब लगेंगे. सो NDDB जो नेशनल डेयरी डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड है, उसका सर्टिफिकेट लगता है, टेस्ट रिपोर्ट लगता है, लैब रिपोर्ट लगते हैं, हैवी मेटल टेस्ट लगता है. तो ये सब हमने इनिशियली दे दिया था. हम लोग ने SGS सर्टिफिकेशन मतलब थर्ड पार्टी इंस्पेक्शन के लिए हम लोग ने बायर को इंसिस्ट किया, बट बायर वाज वेरी मच श्योर कि नहीं, आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट योर क्वालिटी, आई हैव सीन ऑन योर वेबसाइट, so I actually don't want any SGS certification, I am okay without SGS. So हमने insist किया, but buyer was very much confident and had faith in us, so we didn't then move ahead with SGS. But other than SGS हमने सारे certifications उसको दे दिए.
Did you get the ECGC also?
Yes madam, we got ECGC.
All
so
right.
सो इवन दो हमारा जो पेमेंट टर्म्स था वो 50% एडवांस था, 50% अगेंस्ट बिल ऑफ लेडिंग था, स्कैन कॉपी, विच इज लाइक सिक्योर पेमेंट टर्म्स था. इतना मतलब वी वर नॉट इनटू अ ह्यूज रिस्क, बट स्टिल वी वांटेड टू टेक ईसीजीसी बिकॉज वो 50% ऐसे भी मायने लगते हैं कि
हाँ,
अगर समथिंग समथिंग गोज ऑन अ रॉन्ग ट्रैक, और सिंस ये फर्स्ट एक्सपोर्ट है और ये फुल लोड कंटेनर था, इट वाज एन एफसीएल ऑफ 20 मेट्रिक टन्स. ओके, सो वी डिडंट वांटेड टू रिस्क इवन 50% ऑफ द मनी. सो हम लोग ने ईसीजीसी किया था. ईसीजीसी पूरा प्रोसेस हम लोग ने समझ के उसको अप्लाई किया. कोविड-19 चालू था, कोविड-19 का टाइम था, इसलिए ईसीजीसी वाज bit slow on their progress. But
yeah.
however, we kept on pushing, we kept on sending mails on daily basis, and finally, just before 2 days of a final date of vessel, we got an approval of a credit limit from ECGC.
All right. Shrenik, I would like to tell you that I would like to ask you rather, did you earn anything? Was it profit making? आपका ये जो export है उसमें मुनाफा हुआ आपको?
Yes, madam. So we got a very fair profit, बहुत reasonable profit था. At least bit more than what we got in domestic. ठीक है, domestic में मिलता है उससे भी हमको अच्छा बेनिफिट मिला. मेनली बिकॉज मैडम इसमें हम लोग को MEIS का जो भी है ड्यूटी ड्रॉबैक, MEIS, फिर इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन हमने लिया था. फिर उसके अलावा हम लोग को जो GST जो मेन होता है, GST हम लोग को रिबेट मिलता है बिकॉज इट्स हम लोग ने LUT बॉन्ड फाइल करके इसको एक्सपोर्ट किया था, सो विदाउट पेमेंट ऑफ GST. सो ये सब चीज करने के बाद हम लोग को नेट नेट बेनिफिट रियलाइज हुआ, प्लस हमारे प्रोडक्ट इटसेल्फ बेसिक प्राइस में भी हमको बेनिफिट रियलाइज हुआ. सो इट वाज अ प्रॉफिट मेकिंग बिजनेस एंड इट वाज अ
Plus, you
फेयर
have
प्रॉफिट
now a
फॉर अस.
regular contract with your buyer in Russia. Now
यस
you will
यस
have
एब्सोल्युटली.
more buyers, but this buyer is constant for you.
या एब्सोल्युटली.
Shrenik, now I would like to introduce one more question to everybody who I meet. आपने ज्यादातर सबसे बड़ा लेसन क्या सीखा ये एक्सपोर्ट एक्सपीरियंस से?
करेक्ट मैडम, अगर एक वर्ड में कहूँ तो सबसे बड़ा लेसन था परसिवरेंस. ठीक है,
परसिवरेंस
परसिवरेंस.
मतलब कि मेहनत करो, धीरज रखो. Am I right? Is this what you mean?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yes, madam, absolutely. Perseverance was the key, and continuous follow up, क्योंकि बायर्स कई बार स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ होता है, बट एटलीस्ट डेली बेसिस पे हम उसको गुड मॉर्निंग, होप एवरीथिंग इज फाइन देयर,
Very good.
होप यू आर सेफ इन कोविड-19 सिचुएशन, होप योर फैमिली इज फाइन इन कोविड-19 सिचुएशन. ऐसा करके हम लोग उसको डेली बेसिस पे एक मेल भेजते थे ताकि वी वर ऑन हिज टॉप ऑफ द माइंड प्रायोरिटी.
Very good. Very good. रिलेशनशिप एंड नेटवर्किंग विथ योर बिजनेस, चाहे वो आपको बिजनेस दे या ना दे, दैट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. आपके संबंध हैं, बिजनेस संबंध, प्रोफेशनल संबंध, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू कम हैंडी एनी टाइम इन योर लाइफ. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी वांट एवरीबॉडी टू फॉलो. कीप कॉन्टैक्ट्स, हेलो हाय कॉन्टैक्ट्स. कोई भी सीजन हो, कोई भी दिन हो, हाय हेलो करो, ग्रीट करो. फेस्टिवल्स हैं तो मिलो. सो बी इन टच विथ योर पीपल. एंड शनिक, एक और क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी. आई what is it that one thing that you would tell today's exporter? Perseverance is your lesson, life lesson, but what is it that you want all the new exporters or the budding exporters or the people who want to export, क्या आप सलाह देंगे उनको, क्या आप बताएंगे?
मैडम, मैं इसके लिए 2 मिनट आपका लूंगा. मतलब आई आई जस्ट वांट टू, एक मैसेज नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा आई वांट टू शेयर फ्यू
Carry
थिंग्स
on, carry
जो
on,
विद
carry on.
द कम्युनिटी. सो सबसे पहले तो मैडम मैं ये कहूंगा कि एक्सपोर्ट या इंपोर्ट वो आपकी लैंग्वेज, आपके नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस या आपके बैकग्राउंड का मोहताज नहीं है. एक्सपोर्ट कोई भी आम इंसान कर सकता है. सो anyone who wishes to do export can actually start export import business. इसके लिए जो मैं आज के जनरेशन को, जो और सारे जो मेरे जैसे, मेरे से यंग या मेरे से एक्सपीरियंस्ड लोग हैं, जो लोग एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट के बिजनेस में आना चाहते हैं, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज यू हैव टू कीप पुशिंग योरसेल्फ. अपने आप को पुश करो, पेशेंस रखो, और मार्केट अंडरस्टैंडिंग और मार्केट एनालिसिस बहुत क्रिटिकल है कि आपका प्रोडक्ट कहाँ पे चलेगा, आपका प्रोडक्ट कौन खरीदेगा और क्यों खरीदेगा. यू शुड ऑलवेज आस्क द क्वेश्चन कि ये कंट्री में ये बायर मेरा प्रोडक्ट क्यों खरीदेगा. ठीक है. So whether I'm having price advantage, whether I'm having quality advantage, whether I'm having distance advantage, service advantage, फिर उसके बाद second thing is push. Keep on pushing. फॉलो अप करो, बायर्स के साथ रिलेशन और नेटवर्क मेंटेन करो. एंड बस एक चीज है कि नेवर लूज होप. होप नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए. बहुत इंटरनेशनल. और एक चीज जो मैसेज है कि एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज अवर मार्केट. पूरी दुनिया हमारा मार्केट है, ना कि सिर्फ इंडिया. द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज अ ग्लोबल मार्केट. अगर हम लोग अहमदाबाद में बैठ के सूरत में बेच सकते हैं, तो इंडिया में बैठ के नाइजीरिया भी जरूर बेच सकते हैं.
वेरी गुड. एंड how did you find the IIIM support after the course?
मैडम, सो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जो IIIM के जो सपोर्ट के बारे में, सो जो हमारा आई सपोर्ट चलता है थ्रू हम लोग फोन के ऊपर चलता है, हमारा जो ईमेल के ऊपर चलता है. देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक डे जहाँ पे हम मेंटर्स को मिल सकते हैं, तो that became very handy with us. क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे इश्यूज आते हैं छोटे छोटे जो हमको सॉल्व करने पड़ते हैं, और मेल के ऊपर IIIM का सपोर्ट इज इनक्रेडिबल. मतलब अगर हम लोग कोई मेल डालते हैं तो वी गेट रिप्लाई बिफोर 24 आवर्स. ठीक है. सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी हैंडी, क्योंकि जब तक हम बायर के साथ दूसरा कॉन्वर्जेशन स्टार्ट ना करें, उससे पहले हमारे पास उसका सॉल्यूशन आ जाता है. सो IIIM का आई सपोर्ट और जो constant email support and phone support was incredible and brilliant. And I would really thank people who are associated with this. It's not only about the faculties but also the backend staff, backend support system, जो लोग continuously on the go रहते हैं कि IIIM के students का problem सबसे immediate basis पे solve हो जाए.
Thank you, Shrenik. This means a lot for us. This means a lot for our team. Yes, you rightly said the back end team जो पीछे से काम करती है टीम, उनके लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. वो आज बहुत मोटिवेट होंगे कि हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपने स्टूडेंट्स का सर्व करें और जल्दी से सर्व करें और अच्छे से जवाब दें, अच्छे से उनका ख्याल करें. IIIM is very much committed to not just the students who are paying fees one time, but to the students who are getting lifetime services, lifetime support services. We are more committed. We have more members to serve them than the faculty members also. Because here is where you will start having your questions. Here is where you need a hand holding. And we are committed to that. Please, I would love it, Shrenik, stay connected with IIIM. हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए on help desk, on I support, and be with us so that we know about you, you know about us. We keep sharing knowledge, you keep sharing your experiences, and we share this with everybody else. So please stay tuned, and
sure.
I hope you are subscribed. You are a subscriber to the YouTube also. We have many new things coming up. Please be there. And Shrenik, it was wonderful talking to you. Wonderful. I was waiting for you for a very long time. We have talked about this. We have on an email also, on the I support phone also. But आज अच्छा दिन मिल गया और आप गाड़ी में धूप में बैठे हैं. I know. And I hope you are comfortable. And please, हमारे wishes, best wishes आपके साथ है. IIIM wishes you the best. Thank you so much, Shrenik.
Thank you, ma'am.